Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're trying out a brand new product and I have not even tried it out yet. So this is Beauty Blender just came out with a powder. So Beauty Blender has their Bounce collection and now they have a brand new powder and let's check it out. So this is the Beauty Blender Bounce powder. It's a silky setting powder that smooths and locks makeup into place for an airbrushed finish without any caking or flashback. And it's talc free. This is supposed to be really good for photos and for selfies. And you know your girl's always taking photos and selfies. But okay, so it says it looks in makeup, it balances, and it has a soft illuminating focus, which is perfect for photos. So let's try this out and see what this looks like. Okay, so I actually just did my makeup, so I just put in foundation. I put in this, so I use the Beauty Blender Bounce foundation. So I have this in the 3.20W and it looks really nice. I actually used some concealer too, and I used the Beauty Blender concealer, so we stay on brand. And I also applied it with this, the Beauty Blender Eco Sponge Puff Beauty Blender. And then, so let's see what this looks like. I got this in the color, okay, so I got this in the color Buff, and hopefully it's the right shade. And apparently you can use this to set your foundation. So it says to use the puff. You put it on your face under like your concealer or wherever you just want to set your makeup and bake it, and then just like brush it off. Alright, so let's open this up and see what it looks like. Alright, so here we go. So this is what it looks like. It just says Beauty Blender. It's a pretty big size. Alright, so it has this pink cap, and then I'm just gonna remove this. Alright, so I kind of made a mess opening this, and I'm not gonna peel this off completely just because, I don't know, I feel like it'll just make a bigger mess if I take off the paper completely, even though I feel like maybe I should. Okay, so this is what it looks like. I like how it has like this kind of little screen just to make sure, like, I guess it looks like that thing you sift flour with, so I guess you don't get like big chunks or something. And it looks very interesting. I'm just gonna swatch this on my finger, and it's actually alright. So I'm just gonna go in with my brush and put some on my face and set my foundation. I feel like I grabbed a ton, and I feel like I'm gonna be like a powdery mess right now, but we'll see. Okay, so this is what the powder looks like. It actually looks really nice. For some reason I thought it'd be like glittery just because it says illuminating. I don't know why I thought that. Okay, so this is what the powder looks like. It looks really nice. It's like seamless. It's really lightweight. It looks really nice, and hopefully that selfie game is on point now. And literally my face is always kind of oily, especially at the end of the day. I always have like oil like here or like just random places. I usually use the Bare Minerals. I actually really like the Bare Minerals, but this one just looks a little more matte. Okay, so I usually use the Bare Minerals powder, and I think this one looks a little more illuminating and definitely a little more matte than the Bare Minerals one. The Bare Minerals one looks really natural though, and I think it's really nice. Okay, so I'll report back in a couple hours and let you guys know exactly my thoughts on this and see if how well it holds up and see if it stays matte like the entire time. I'm just gonna spray some like setting powder and go. And obviously I'm gonna be wearing my mask, so it's probably gonna rub off a little bit, especially in the mouth area, but we'll see like up here in like my forehead, I guess. And thanks for watching this video. Let me know your thoughts on the Bounce powder. It's a brand new product, and be sure to subscribe to my channel so you can see new product reviews. Thanks. Bye.